Welcome to our quick guide on downloading a photo to your device from WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever struggled to save a picture, this streamlined approach will have you saving instantly. First, open WhatsApp Web in your computer browser and scan the QR code with your phone to sign in. Once you're connected, navigate to the chat that contains a photo you want to save. It could be a personal chat or a group chat, but the steps are the same. Locate the photo within the conversation. If you're on a recent message, you'll see the image displayed in line in the chat. Click on the photo to open a larger preview. In this expanded view, you'll notice the familiar controls along the top or bottom of the image, depending on your browser and WhatsApp web version. Hover your cursor over the photo to reveal the small arrow or menu icon that appears near the image. Click that small arrow to open the options associated with the photo. This is a quick access point that WhatsApp has placed to make saving images easier without leaving the chat. From the menu that appears, select the download option. The image will then start saving to your computer. The exact location of the save file depends on your browser settings, but commonly it goes to your downloads folder unless you've chosen a different destination. If you don't see the download option, you can try an alternative method. Open the photo in full size, then use your browser's right-click context menu and choose Save Image as to pick a destination on your device. This method works reliably across most updates and browsers. Tips for a smooth save. Ensure your browser has permission to download files and keep WhatsApp Web in a stable tab without interruptions. If you're saving multiple photos, you can repeat these steps quickly for each image. That's all there is to it. Open WhatsApp Web, open the chat, find the photo, hover to reveal the arrow, choose download, and your image is saved.